This was a meticulous, extensive and coordinated investigation which called upon a wide range of skills and expertise within Garda Síochána and beyond. It involved many thousands of hours of investigative work. Some 619 separate lines of inquiry were pursued both in this jurisdiction and, as said, in the US and UK. 511 separate reports were created. A total of 488 persons were interviewed and 788 statements obtained. In excess of 5,300 hours of CCTV were scrutinised and examined by the investigation team. A total of 2,620 text messages were retrieved and analysed by the investigation team. A total of 1,275 exhibits were generated during the course of the investigation. A core team of 20 Gardaí were committed to this investigation from its inception and throughout. They were supported by a wide range of persons with special skills both within the organisation and beyond. Of particular value to the investigation was work carried out by our colleagues in Garda Telecom section, computer crime and the computer crime unit and the Garda crime analysts. They worked with us right up to and throughout the trial. This involved a huge amount of information and was generated which required painstaking evaluation and investigation.